Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 22nd algorithm video, and in this video we will be given a string and we need to find the first repeated character that is present. So the string that is given to us is geeks for geeks. I make a blank list of unrepeated characters, and the list would be blank. I also make a blank string of repeated character. Now in this string you can see the G is being repeated here, but the character E is immediately repeated at the second index, so E should be the answer. Now as I make a for loop for I in string, if I not in list of unrepeated character, I append the list of unrepeated characters by I. Else, if a character is found which is already present in the list unrepeated character, that means that character has been repeated. So we need to break out of the for loop. Repeated character, and we need to append the I into the repeated character. We need to concatenate it plus I, and we need to break out of the for loop. Now if repeated character is blank, then print no repeated character has been found. Else print the repeated character is. Now as I click play, now as you can see, the first repeated character is E. Now if I change the string, say to A B C D E, there are no repeated characters here, so it is correctly printed out that there were no repeated characters. No repeated character has been found. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.